Alright, in this video, I want to show you how you can do or access your homework. Once you log into My Math Labs Plus, this is what your page will normally look like. If you go over here to My Math Labs Homework, click on that, and another page will come up. In this page, you have a list of all of your homeworks. And in this section here, it gives you all of your due date information. What date and what time is it due? If you notice, there are some flags on these assignments here. All of your assignments, all of your homework assignments, you have to make at least an 80% on the previous section in order to access the current section. So we want to make sure that you can master these concepts before you continue. If you want to see your grades on some of your previous assignments, you can come over here to see score. If you click it, it'll show you what score you made on those assignments. All right, let's look at what an actual homework session may look like. Also, we have time limit and attempts. Let's go over that before. These homeworks are not timed. You can take as much time as you want up until the due date. I don't care if you spend 10 hours or 3 minutes on the entire homework. As long as you can get that 80%, I'm absolutely thrilled. I would definitely love for you to get 100% on all your homeworks, but 80% is that cutoff for people to be successful. Attempts, you'll see in some of our other assignments, you're going to get a certain number of attempts to complete an actual assignment. Homeworks don't have attempt for the entire assignments. We will have attempts per problem. Let's click on section 8.1, and when I did that, it gives me information on, basically some statistics that I need, right? The section name, the due date, the last time I worked on it. We're not going to worry about the study plan. It's a resource in My Math Labs Plus that we don't use in this course. Of course, if you want to, you can use. It gives us our total score, our current score. And also it gives us the number of times you can complete each question. All right. And in your homework, you can attempt each question 4 times max. All right. It also gives you a reminder of the prerequisites. Don't worry about any of these media homework assignments. It's something that the math department themselves set up. We're not using those assignments. We're using the assignments that I've created for you. But let's look at the question to see kind of what doing homework might be like. So I clicked on question 10 and this popped up. And it gives me a problem to solve. All right. What I recommend that you do is get paper and pencil, actually solve the problem. The only thing My Math Labs Plus is going to want from you is for you to enter the answer. So let's say that I think the answer is, let's say, all real numbers. All right. So I clicked all real numbers. I'm going to go to check answer. That's not correct. They give me a hint. Let's say I think my solution is the empty set. I'm going to go to check answer. That's not correct. And, after doing all the work, that's why I think the answer is all right. And then I redid the problem, and let's say I think the answer is 55. Let's go to here, the final check, and it's going to tell me if I'm correct or wrong. All right. Notice they give you 3 tries on that single question. That counts as 1 attempt. You can do that 3 more times. That means you get 9 more tries on a different problem or whatever before My Math Labs Plus is just going to not give you any more tries. You have to go on to the next problem. So you have a lot of opportunities to help, get help or, to get it right. All right. After that time, if you go down here to this similar exercise, and they're going to give you a completely different problem, but you do have the opportunity to change this X, which means it's incorrect, to a check, which means it's correct. All right. On the side over here, there are some resources that you may possibly need to use. All right, this first resource is called Help Me Solve This. If I click on it, it'll walk me through solving this actual problem. The thing with this is they're going to do the same exact problem that they give you, and they're going to walk you step by step and require you to input some stuff to help you solve this problem. All right, there's a view and example. With the view and example, they're going to give you a different example than you started with, but they're going to walk you step by step through how to solve this problem without your input. All you have to do is continue to press continue. All right, let's close that out. Some problems have an animation, not all. All right, if you click animation,
Solving linear equations. Writing and
It's almost like doing a lecture again. Let's say you didn't understand something from the videos that I've created. You can go to these animations and they'll help you out with solving those equations. There's textbook. If you click on textbook, the screen here comes up. And it shows you the section out of your textbook where the problem is located. All right, there's some videos attached. This symbol means there's a video. This lets you flip pages. So let's say I want to go to the right. There's some stuff here. There's an animation for this example. There's an animation for this example. And there's an opportunity for you to try it on this example. So this is basically your textbook online, there for you to reference on any type of problems that you might have. So that's a tool for you as well. Ask my instructor. It'll let me know what problem you're on. It'll let me know. Allow you to enter information to let me know, okay, Mr. Pompey, I'm trying this problem. This is what I have so far, or this is what I've tried. Can you give me some help? Give me a hint on what I might be doing wrong. All right. And so that's the Ask My Instructor. And if you wanted to print this out, you can print it. Let's just do one correct. All right. This is what it's going to look like when you have something correct. When you press the done button, you'll see that you'll have a check mark. And so right now my score is 5.26%. That's one problem out of 19 points. That means I need at least 75 more percent so that I can get at least an 80. Of course, do not let that 80 be your top notch, what you want to do. I really want you to get a 100. I just don't want you to get less than an 80. That's why we set that up that way. All right. So that's basically how we go about doing homework. Even you can go to save, or what I actually do is I just exit out. And as you'll see, it saves your work that you've already done. If you press OK, it's going to take you right back to the homework screen. All right, and that's how we do homework in My Math Labs Plus.